The Maccheroni Frittata is a typical dish of Italian cuisine, particularly from southern Italy, and represents a tasty way to give new life to leftover pasta. It is a versatile recipe that can be enriched with whatever you have available in the refrigerator. Here's the basic recipe. Ingredients: 300 grams of short pasta already cooked, such as macaroni, 4 large eggs, 100 grams of grated Parmesan or pecorino cheese, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil or seed oil for frying. Optional, 100 grams of mozzarella cut into cubes. Optional, cured meats such as ham or salami cut into pieces. Optional, vegetables such as zucchini or eggplant sautéed in a pan. Preparation: in a large bowl, beat the eggs with salt and pepper. Add the grated cheese and mix well to combine the ingredients. If you want to enrich the frittata, you can also add mozzarella, cured meats, or vegetables at this point. Incorporate the cooked pasta into the egg and cheese mixture and stir gently, making sure the macaroni are well coated. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large nonstick pan big enough to hold the pasta in an even layer. Pour the pasta and egg mixture into the hot pan and cook over medium-low heat. Let the frittata set on the bottom. Then, when it is cooked enough to be flipped, use a plate or lid to turn it over and cook the other side as well. Once golden and cooked on both sides, transfer the Maccheroni Frittata to a serving plate. Trivia: the Maccheroni Frittata is often associated with Sunday family lunches, when the abundant pasta from lunch is transformed into a great dinner or snack. In addition, it is a dish that is enjoyed both hot and at room temperature, and is perfect for picnics or as a one-dish meal for an informal gathering. Remember that this recipe is very flexible and lends itself to numerous variations, so feel free to experiment with the ingredients you prefer or have on hand.